siya. Compare na we used to have a caravan before. Napaka-comfortable mo talaga. Kahit yung upuan, napaka-maluwang talaga yung space. At si Sylvester, he is very happy to be there. You can drink water, okay? So you won't be dehydrated. Keep drinking water. Very good. Maganda talaga dito sa Australia. Pag nasa countryside kayo, as in, wala po talagang traffic. Very peaceful lang talaga. And very relaxing lang po pag nagmamanino kayo dito. And here's our driver. Our home is run by Diesel. At tara, continue na po kami pag-drive. Bye, Sylvester. Nagbabasa lang po siya ng libro. Very good. Behave na behave po si Sylvester. First time po namin gamitin ang motorhome na ito. Kaya it's very sapat na po yan. Dahil wala pong mga tindahan yung mga inside pag nagkakamain po kayo. At yung shower guys, kailangan po talaga ang magkakit kayo. Otherwise, baka masisira o mabasag po yung glass. Kaya you can lock like that. So, install po natin yung part